Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make money off of Bible games and Bible activities for kids. First off, I'm going to show you how I go about creating a product. I use crispy prints. Just take the background image. I'm going to create a bundle of 12 different Bible games. Take your background image, dump it in here. Choose a background color you want. I'm going to go with a brown. Let me see, a brown like that. That's cool. Maybe a darker brown. Okay, cool. I'm going to select all these games. There's 12 games here. I'm going to click Create Bundle. Now let me show you, while this thing is doing its thing, let me show you why I'm going after this niche. Okay. If I go to my niche keyword tool, let me blow that up for you. Put in Bible games for kids. You can see it has a score of 82. This Bible games for kids. Bible games for kids ages 4 to 8. 8 to 12, 3 to 5. As you can see, there's all kinds of search terms around Bible games. If I go to Bible activities, it's pretty much the same thing. Now, there's Bible activities for, wow, this has a score of 144. But of course, I want to narrow down the niche. Again, Bible activities for kids, for toddlers, for teens, preschool children, seniors. Let's whittle it down. Bible activities for kids. And this is a score of 64. Okay, understandably, a lot of people out there want to not only entertain their kids, but they want to educate them and teach them about the Bible. Now, if we go to Etsy, you'll see real quick here that if I put in Bible games for kids, or I can do the same thing with activities, you'll see that, yes, it has a result count of over 2,000. And there's a lot of printable games, different types of printable activities revolving around the Bible. And a lot of these, as you can see, are kid focused, child focused. Okay. Now, if I go up here, see one of the top ones here is this 14 game bundle. Let me blow that up. Okay. This is very much the type of games I'm going to be creating with crispy prints. Now, of course, you don't need crispy prints. You can do this. It's much more time consuming. You can do it on your own, create your own set of 12 or 14 or 16 games. Or you can get some freelancer to do it for very cheap off of sites like Fiverr. But this is what a game would look like, right? I'm going to show you mine once it's done. Crispy Prints is still doing its thing. I just had to feed it my background image, and then it goes off and it processes it and it creates the games. Okay, so we got 14 games here. Would you rather? Bible word scramble. You got some reviews here. I wonder if all these reviews have to do with this bundle particularly, or this storefront in general. Okay, this person sells printables. Again, you want to copy, or not copy is not the good word. You want to mimic, or you want to aspire to success. Okay, pre-existing success. Look at those who are successful at something and duplicate it. Oh, here's my game bundle now. Now, as you can check this out, this is my game bundle. And as you can see, this is much better looking than what this person is selling. And this person is selling a Bible game bundle. You can tell. Okay. So look what I got here. I got 12 games here. Okay. And I have a repeating theme. Let me shrink this down so I can give you a better bird's eye view. Okay. And these are different games I got here. Trace and color. I got color with blessings. I got Bible word search, scavenger hunt, scripture flips, Bible book names, Bible trivia. What's this one I skipped here? Unscramble the verse. I got Bible color by numbers, Bible versus number, Bible crossword, Bible facts. Okay, 12 nicely put together games where my end user, well, actually the kids of my end user can actually play and learn about the Bible. Okay, so as you can see, this is a worthwhile niche. Okay, I highly recommend printables like this, because printables, it has a lot of the pros and very few of the cons that you have with traditional e-com, right? So with e-com, you have to ship some products, you got to buy products, you got to assemble products. With printables, it's very easy to create them if you have the right technology behind you. And of course, there's very little overhead. You just have to sell it off the site. They get it instantly, digitally, right? So the person, whoever buys this bundle, for example, will get instant access to this right quick as soon as they pay. Oh, by the way, this is about, well, right now the yen is really low. This is about like 14 bucks, I would say right now, currently. $14. It's about 1,700 yen, or I should round this to 1,800 yen. So yeah, this is about 14 bucks. 14 bucks, you know, each and every time this person sells one of these bundles, okay? And again, I always emphasize you want to sell bundles. You can sell them as a one-off printable. Some people, as you can see on Etsy, are doing that, but I highly recommend you sell them as bundles, okay? If you want to learn how I create and sell printables online, make sure you check out the information down below. There's a link that'll lead you to this page, and just click the link and you can get access right quick. Okay, be good, take care. I hope you liked this video. If anything, you learned something on how to profit online with a unique type of product. Okay, be good, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.